promised you guys that we're headed back down to the States to pick up the HomePod. I messed up last time, couldn't pick it up on time, but we're headed back the same way now, and here's where we are right now. So here's another thing that came up, guys. I got my passport renewed and they punched into it. So this pretty much voids it, and we're gonna see if the border actually lets us through with this. So if it doesn't, that's another wall that we're gonna have to get past again. And we're pretty near the airport right now, so if we don't make it, I mean, I'm gonna give you guys the whole scoop about it. You guys are gonna get to see everything, but hopefully everything clears. It shouldn't be a problem, and give you guys an update in a few minutes. Alright guys, so we are at the border now, and it seems like we're gonna be waiting a very long time. You guys can see the traffic all the way up top there, and there is probably like a 2-hour wait. Hopefully not, but hopefully we're not here for nothing. We're roughly about 1.2 kilometers away from the next exit. So I'll see you guys in a bit. All right, just a little update for you guys. We are at the duty-free tech shop now, and that's roughly about like 200 meters that we moved so far in the last half hour. It's 2 o'clock now. We left at around 11 to 12 o'clock, and we are nowhere. We're so near, we can see the little border right between us right here, and just the final border is right up top there. Should be roughly about another 10 to 15 minutes, and the time is 12:13. We should be there, and hopefully we're at an Apple store very soon. Seems like a very beautiful day today, so hopefully it's all well, and we should be across in the next few minutes. All right guys, so we are roughly about 4 cars from the border here, the US border, and I'm freaking out right now. I don't think they're gonna let me through. Like, we have all the other passports ready to go. Mine's the only one that looks a little bit different here because it's the older one, and I got it renewed. And here, that's the only reason why it's void at the moment. I do have a reference code, but hopefully I can get through this, and we'll see where it goes. If not, they're gonna make us turn around, and we have to make this trip another day. And I'll make another video for you guys, but that would be really crappy. Hopefully we can get through. We're roughly about 150 meters from the next exit on I-5. And here we go. Woo, guys, all right, so we passed the border. Everything seemed to check out perfectly. We got the reference number going on, and the border security guys seemed very nice. So we are headed up to Belfair right now, and hopefully there's gonna be an Apple store down there. If there isn't, we're gonna be checking around a little bit, but first stop is probably gonna be a McDonald's, because I gotta release some stress here. I worked it up a little bit at the border, so. Anyways, just driving now, and give you guys an update very soon. This is the current situation. Let's go. See you guys in a bit. So we finally made it. It's 4:13 p.m. So it's roughly about like 5 hours again that we drove all the way down here, and we're finally at the Alderwood Mall, and hopefully after we find some parking, we can get in, pick up a HomePod, and we'll see what's next. Alright guys, so it seems like we're almost here. Finally, you guys can see the store just right at the top right here. It's really nice, and we're gonna walk in. Hopefully, yes, they are HomePods. I can see one just right there, which is really cool. Right, let's just head inside. Oh, there you go. They're really nice inside here. Alright guys, so we have the HomePod right here. Finally, you can see it in our own eyes. It's really cool. Up top, we got this little spinning thing, and we'll be picking up either the white one or the black one. You guys give me advice. I probably am going to be picking up a white one, but Alright guys, so we picked it up. There you go. We got the white HomePod here, and it's gonna be really exciting. I'm gonna be opening it up for you guys, and we'll see what's inside. Alright guys, Tech Notice here, and my girlfriend's just gonna be doing a quick little unboxing of the new HomePod right here. It is a little bit late, and we got Cooper here just spectating right now. Alright, so she's just peeling off the package right now really gently. I feel like once you peel it out, you're not gonna be able to peel it out again, and they all lay just flat down. Really beautiful packaging here. And let's take a look around the box just a little bit here. HomePod, very nice. All right, let's see her open it up. Not too sure how it works. Maybe we just slide up right here. Cooper's really interested there. And there you guys go. We got a brand new HomePod right here. So beautiful. All right, let's just pull it out of the package right now. Lift it up. And it's pretty heavy, right? There you go. Wow, guys. So underneath here, we got a little pamphlet, and she's just gonna run through this really quickly and show us what's inside. Pretty much here, it's pretty empty. So, little pamphlet right up top here showing us number one, we have connect to Wi-Fi, turn on Bluetooth, and pretty much the essentials. Nothing new here. And we got a, of course, really awesome Apple sticker. So far, it only comes with one. So Apple's missing the other one. Who knows what's going on, but pretty nice. Stick that at the back of your car. And the HomePod is ready to go. I'm gonna be setting it up, and this is gonna be a separate video, but it's just a quick unboxing for you guys to see. We got the peeling sticker up here. She's gonna have the little logo up there for Siri. And we got the extension cable here. And if you guys don't already know, Apple does replace this for 29 bucks. We're gonna get this all set up on the iPhone, and then I'll give you guys a little update.